Guys, welcome back to the channel. On the lift, we have a 964 in titanium metallic clear coat. Now, what an amazing color. We've had a lot of 964s in this shop, and I've never had one in this color. Super jazzed to have this car up in the air and see how the light bends around this color under the lift. It's just such a killer color. Okay, so behind me we have a beautiful, beautiful 964 Porsche. This car was brought in by a local client. Car has been local to our region for quite some time. I don't know the entire backstory to it, but owned by a really, really wonderful family now that was friends with, I believe it was the original owner of this car, and the original owner, or the owner that this family purchased it from, had unfortunately passed away. They became the stewards of this car. Pretty low mileage car, and the color on this thing is just superb. Pretty rare color that you don't see too frequently, and I'm just infatuated by this car. So we've been moving our way from the front all the way to the back, DryIce cleaning it. We're removing all the cosmoline, all the dirt, grime, buildup, everything that is going to be on a car that has been driven. We've removed all the belly pans, so you're going to see here in a few moments just how spectacular these cars look once they're cleaned up. And we've got a cool before and after side-by-side comparison that you guys should be able to see, especially on the engine casing, the suspension, and we're removing all that cosmoline while maintaining all the original factory chalk marks. We're not doing any damage to any hoses, any soft type of lines, or even any of the overspray that's on this car, which is a very important aspect to a collector grade car such as this 964. So we hope you guys love the content on this car as much as we do, because it's just been an absolute pleasure to have in the shop. This is coming in right off the heels of that 72 911 barn find that we did, and if you haven't checked that video out, you should go check that one out, because that was a really neat car as well. And it's been really, really fun to go working on a Porsche from 1972 to working on a Porsche from the early 90s, and just seeing the difference, but a lot of the same similarities in those cars and build features. So if you have a quick minute, check that video out. Check out the rest of this video of us DryIce cleaning it. Let us know in the comments what you think. And again, as always, leave us a comment and follow along too. We'd love to have both. And we'll be posting some more stuff soon, so subscribe, visit some of our social channels, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, so this car actually came to us because the owner saw one of our YouTube videos and he said, "You're my guy. I like the YouTube video. I know that I have confidence in sending my Porsche to you." So if you followed along this long, this car already has a name. Because that gentleman came to us through a YouTube video, let's keep that trend going and see if anyone else comes to us through this YouTube video, and comment the name of this car and let us know if you can tell the name of this car based off any small indicator.